I spy with my little eye. Yeah.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the I Spy Queens channel. I'm Anitra, and I'm a full-time reseller. And most of the things you'll see on this channel that I do are different things. I am unscripted and unorganized, so I do pretty much whatever I want. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, please check out the description after the video. Everything will be in there for you. Yes, it will. Today I have friend mail from my friend Maria. She gave me a whole big box of goodies, and we're gonna get into it. And here we are. She gifted me this big old box of goodies. I don't even know what is in here, but we all is gonna find out together. Ooh, don't fall, don't fall. Okay, let's do this bag first. Look like earrings, earrings, earrings. Okay, we have a ring. And why is my camera moving? This one is a size 9. It is a snowflake, white and gold tone. We have that. Next we have another little ring, like a black onyx, adjustable. This will go in the kids a lot. Kids a lot, kids a lot. I have another diacrylic glass ring. You guys excuse me if you hear anything. Miss Lorman is on her tablet. What size is this one? Size 8. I am that. Ooh, next we have like a jade color. Gold plated, it says. And this one is a size 5 with some change. Next we have, ooh, this is cute, a Stretchy Enamel with Rhinestones. This one is at a 7, but I'm pretty sure anybody could wear it. As I try to get it off. We have that. Next we have a little dainty little size 4. No maker's mark. I might put that in the kids' lot or gift it to the granddaughter. One of the two. Ooh, next we have this pretty adjustable. It is at a 6. It's got a little wear there and there, but for the most part, that part is excellent. Next we have a silver tone, like a mesh style. This is just a fashion ring, but it's in very good condition. So what is it again? A size 8. I don't think I said 8. We have enamel. I want to say this is like a mood ring. Size 8.5. I'll probably put that in the kids' lot. Ooh, we have another one. This is a size 6, like blue crystalline. No makers on this. Next we have a, this is cute, but it's got wear to it on the back. It's a cute little fashion ring. What size? Size 8.5. That's it for the rings. We have a pair of, I would say, statement earrings. These are Ralph Lauren, maybe LR. Have those. We have some tigers. Ooh, like those. Yeah, not marked. We have these enameled and gold tone earrings. Red, pink, and like a purplish color. These are KJLs. I don't know what that means. It's got a little scratch there. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Kenneth J. Lane, maybe? I don't know. Right? What is this? I don't know what this is, but it's cute. Can't be a ring. We have these pretty enameled earrings. Gold tone and purple. Here's the back of those. We have some gold tone. We have those. Next we have, these are like peacocks. I want to say they're porcelain. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Next we have, what do we say? Oh, Napier. Silver tone. Napier there. Have some cute little Cameo earrings. Clippies. No makers. These are cute. These are enameled in gray. Like a pink silver tone. Oh, these are cute. Like a diamond cut. They got little birds on them. Those are cute. We have some cute little, like a blue enameled post. Some little moons. They almost look like Pac-Mans, y'all. Mr. and Mrs. Pac-Man post. We have a cute little dolphin rhinestone. We have a dolphin earring. Oh, it don't have a match. That would have been cute. Enamel. We have two little disc earrings, white. We have a hat pin, silver tone. We have another little dainty little ring. A size 4. Is that the same one? If so, how did it get in here? Alright, next we have a silver tone. No makers on this one. It'll fit my 7 wrist, but I want to make sure. Ooh. This is how you would get it off. You pull it. See, why is it saying differently? That's... Ooh. But yeah, it definitely fits my wrist, as you can see. I don't know how you clip it. Have that. Pretty. Next we have this look like bone or ivory. Now this one's saying it's a 7. This can't be right. Because, yeah, I can put it on, but I'm going to fight to get it off. Oof. You guys, I apologize. I'm so goofy. Alright, next we have... This is a pretty bracelet. Size 6.5, 6 and some change. Yeah. I have that. Oh, we have a like a hematite. Is that hematite? Or a natural stone cuff. I like stuff like this. How that would fit. So that's pretty. Pretty. Next we have a braided clamp bracelet. I want to say this is a 6.5. It's a tight fit on me. Yeah, we have to find something different to measure these shapes. So that's pretty. Next we have a statement necklace. How do you go? It's got some weight to it, y'all. Got some weight. Okay. Okay, there we go. Even though this one is twisted too. Look like all the stones are there. And this one is a Chico's. Chico's make good quality fashion jewelry, and it is very expensive costume jewelry. Next we have This is cute. I love black jewelry. 2 layers. All the stones look to be there. About a 9 wearable inch without the extender. We have that. Next we have, oh, this is pretty. It's heavy. So, vintage clasp hook. It is marked. I don't know what that says. G-L-E-L or something. It's got some weight to it. Pretty beads. Size 9 wearables. We have that. Next we have some pieces that need to, oh, these are just regular beads. These are rose quartz on a single string. It's another pair of rose quartz on a string. Here are some rice pearls on a string. So we have that. Ooh, pretty. Next we have this beautiful piece. How light and coral. Let's say it got some earrings like that. It's on a cord. I hate when beautiful jewelry be on cord. I might take this off and put it on a chain. And this is a Lucky brand. I think it is. It's got the shamrock, but it doesn't say Lucky brand. But this is pretty. Look at that. We have that. Oh, next we have these Chinese beads. These are expensive. Here's the clasp. I want to say wearable. And these is a 12. It says made in China. So these are new. Glass beads or porcelain. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, next we have this gorgeous statement piece. This is a J. Crew, and this is in excellent condition. Excellent condition. I like the chain on it. All the stones are there. Like an antique gold tone. Next we have a watch. This is about a 6 and some change. Fits me, but it's snug. Clamp watch. Pretty enamel in silver tone and white. Next we have another bracelet. It's like a belt buckle. No maker's mark. This is about a 6. Six and a half. This one is. Next we have a pink, like a light pink pearl and silver tone lobster claw clasp. Wearable inch. And this is a 9. Next we have a multi-layer necklace with the drop. Big old lobster claw clasp. It's got rhinestones in between. Mesh style. Wearable on this one is 16 inches. Oh, next we have like a little hematite necklace. Wearable. And this one is an 8. Sterling silver findings on the clasp, the toggle clasp. We have that. Ooh, next we have another cute braided cuff. No maker's mark. Cute. We had a clamp and a cuff. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. We have a pretty stretchy pearl ring. Crystal that is pretty. You can just roll that one out and roll it right on off. I like that. That's cute. That's one of my favorites. Next we have, ooh, this is pretty. Mother of pearl and amethyst with a gold tone barrel clasp. Wearable on this one is 10 inches. Look at that. That is pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Next we have, ooh, natural stone. This looks like amber. Butterscotch amber. And turquoise. What does it say? It says 925 there. This is pretty. Wearable on this one is a 15.5 inches. So we have that. Let's see. Ready to come off. Come on, line up, guys. I did not want to drop any more on there. Come on, try to be cheap. Okay, yes, it's sterling. That's a good find. Boom. Next we got some glass beads. That says 925. That's pretty. Pretty. Oh, I gotta speed it up, y'all. I'm taking too long. Okay, we have some puffy. It's missing its clasp. But this says, what does this say? $14. This says 14 karat. It's like a M. Sorry. Oh, snap, you guys. Listen, does it go like this, maybe? I don't know. We got gold job. What? What? White gold. 9 inches. And the beads out here are pretty. The pearls, they're chunky, not in between. Let me guys know if you ever seen, it's like an M. And I think that's how you would wear that. So yes, hunty, yes. Thank you, Maria. Next we have a like crystal. These are pretty. Almost like Swarovski, but I don't think they are. The dainty little necklace. Super long. Next we have a pair of pearls. The lobster claw is a little worn, but these are pretty. All the little beads are there. These pearls are nice and heavy. This honestly is an easy fix. I can take this right off of here and put it on a whole nother chain. I probably will put it on a silver tone, even though we have that. Those are pretty. Oh, we are missing one. There's an easy fix. Ooh, what are you? This is pretty. I don't know what this is. This got 925. I don't know what that is, but this clearly says 925. on like a rope. It's got rhinestones in between. That's pretty. This looks like it says 92502. So that's pretty. We have a choker, look like natural stones. The turtle says 925. These are ugly little thing. This is a choker piece. Ooh, this is pretty. Porcelain. Here's the back. Oh wow, look at these beads. A Kozone. What's that say? I think it says China. This is pretty. I have that. Ooh. Next we have a chunky. Now this says JKLA. Another Kenneth J. Lane, maybe. Say China. I like the way they sound. Oh, this is pretty. These are natural stones. The class, I think it's sterling. There. Look at those. These are agates. Next we have, this too. This is Chico's. Oh, this is one piece. One piece, y'all. Chico's. I might keep this one. I like stuff like this. We have that. This is what we have left, and we are done